how to change or delete music on Instagram post. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can change or delete music on Instagram post. So first of all, you will have to open your Instagram account, and here you have to add the picture or video whom you want to add music on that. So simply click on this plus icon. So in my case, I'm selecting this random picture. So I'm clicking on next, and here you will find the option browse to browse the music or sound to add on your videos or picture. So simply click on that browse option, and here you can see a lots of music and sound here, and simply you can also type and search the specific music that you want to add on your picture or video. So like in my case, I will select this audio. So I am selecting it, and you can also adjust the part of your music that you want to add, and simply after adjusting it you have to click on this tick option. So simply click on the next, and here you can share or post the picture or video with sound. And simply if you want to remove the sound or music on your post, you can simply click on this cross option. Like in this third section, it is showing the song name, and simply I have to click on this cross section to remove the music. So simply click on this cross, and the music has been deleted. So that's all. In this way you can also change or delete the music on Instagram post. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.